Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how to add automated email like confirmation email when we validate the delivery order. Then it will send like automated email with the delivery slip. So let's say currently if we validate, so it will not email the delivery slip. We need to manually print and send to customer or print using printer something. So for that we have settings. So we can go to inventory configuration settings, and if we go down here, then we can see this email confirmation. Send an automatic confirmation email when delivery orders are done. So if we check this checkbox and click on save button, and if we come here and select delivery order, let's say this is on ready stage, and if I validate, then it will send email to customer. You can see this is the email like find your delivery order attached with more details. You can print it. So it will automatically send a delivery slip to the customer in their email address, right? So this is the default Odoo functionality. I hope this